Welcome back to yet another video, and today I'll be doing something different. I will be showing you how I make my jerk chicken. Here are a few ingredients that I will be using today: seasoning salt, the garlic and pepper, the liquid smoke, Italian, and I'll also use a jerk barbecue sauce from Jamaica, and the Asian sauce with ginger. First, I washed my chicken.
Really?
Here I'm adding the seasoning to my chicken. That's the garlic pepper. Now comes the seasoning salt and the liquid smoke, which gives it a smoky flavor. It's really nice with the liquid smoke, I should say. Once all the ingredients have been put together, then I will also add the marinade and put it aside for a bit, and then I will go ahead and put it in the air fryer. And here is what the chicken will look like once I have completely seasoned it and add my sauce as well to it. Now this will be going in air fryer. So it's on 30 minutes at 355 degrees. So there you go, that's 14 minutes in and counting. And there you go, everyone, and that's the finished product. And this was all done in the Deco Chef air fryer. It's a good one, you should try it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also comment. Please leave your feedback on this video. If there's another way that you do your chicken, I would like to know also. Thank you.